Welcome back to. Today, we have a fascinating topic for all you coin collectors and enthusiasts out there. We'll be delving into the intriguing world of Uganda's 2015 500 shilling coins and uncovering their hidden value. If you're curious about these coins' history, design, and their worth today, you're in for a treat. So, let's dive right in. To understand the value of these coins, let's start with a bit of history. The Bank of Uganda introduced the 500 shilling coin in 2015 as part of their ongoing efforts to modernize their currency. These coins were minted in various designs to celebrate Uganda's rich cultural diversity. As you can see, the 2015 500 shilling coin boasts some impressive design features. On the obverse, you'll find the Bank of Uganda logo, the denomination, and the year of issue. The reverse side showcases various aspects of Ugandan culture, including traditional musical instruments, wildlife, and more. Now, what makes these coins particularly interesting to collectors is the existence of rare varieties. Some coins have printing errors or unique features that make them stand out from the rest. For instance, there are coins with double strikes, off-center strikes, or even errors in the design itself. These are highly sought after by collectors and can fetch a premium. Another factor contributing to their value is their limited mintage. The Bank of Uganda didn't produce an unlimited quantity of these coins, making them relatively scarce compared to other denominations. This scarcity can drive up their collectible value. So, how much are these 2015 500 shilling coins worth today? Well, their value can vary widely depending on factors like condition, rarity, and demand. You might find some of these coins trading for just a few dollars, while rare varieties and coins in pristine condition can command much higher value, $500 and $1,000. If you're considering collecting these coins, here are some tips. First, educate yourself about the different varieties and their estimated values. Join online coin collecting communities to connect with fellow enthusiasts and gain valuable insights. Additionally, always handle your coins with care to preserve their condition. To wrap things up, Uganda's 2015 500 shilling coins are not just a piece of currency. They are a glimpse into the country's vibrant culture and history. Their collectible value is a testament to their uniqueness and the passion of coin collectors worldwide. So, whether you're a seasoned collector or just getting started, keep an eye out for these fascinating coins. You never know what hidden treasures you might discover. Thank you for joining us today on World Information Age. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring that notification bell to stay updated with our latest coin-related content. Until next time, happy collecting!